What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I'm going to be explaining a bit what's been going on, why I haven't been active lately. So I've been really busy with work, and I really haven't had the time to really work on the car. So I'm just going to be giving you an update on what happened. So last video, as you guys saw, I installed my reflect tuning chip, and I noticed that I had a press-on leak coming from my thermostat housing. And as you can see, it was leaking from where it connects to the head, right here. There's no silicone. I used the red RTV silicone. A lot of people were telling me to use it, but as you can see, it's still leaked everywhere. So I ended up putting a brand new thermostat housing from Volkswagen. I changed all the seals, but all original seals. I changed also the switches. I put brand new switches, even though they were brand new. It's always good to have. I also changed my battery because the one that I had was starting to leak some acid, and not down for that. I actually bought myself MK3 GTI leather seats. The back seats are in pretty good condition. Passenger side too, but the driver's seat has a bit of wear and tear. But I have someone that could fix this up for very cheap, so it's not really a problem. So I'm going to be installing those in my car pretty soon. Still have the original interior, which is pretty lame. I'm planning on getting some mags soon. I'm still on the original Steelies 4x100. And I'm probably going to be also doing an update on my brake system, because I have MK3 VR6 Driver's Edition big brake kit, but I never installed it because it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to be doing that. Maybe, hopefully, I'll be able to fix this wiring soon because it's really disgusting. I really can't stand it. It really makes the engine look bad, even though I have a couple of nicks and knacks over here, some scratches. But I'm probably gonna buy the Sesh Motorsport harness. It's pretty cheap. It's easy to install. It's gonna look way cleaner. And a lot of people that did the wiring harness swap said it was fun. It was easy, but a lot of questions about the radiator, since they don't come with the control module. What they did is they bought a radiator control system from S&P Motorsports, or automotive, sorry about that. So it was 40 US dollars, and they just used that, and fans work properly and everything. So I'm probably gonna go with that. uh wow, my garage is a mess, but I haven't been in the garage lately, so I can't really do much. I'm gonna also be changing my passenger door because I have corrosion that's starting near the window seal. So I'm gonna change that up. Also, I'm gonna be doing a serious compound and wash on this car. So I have a lot of stuff that's coming up soon that I'm gonna be videotaping. I really didn't have time lately because work was chaotic, and I'm just dead tired when I come back from work. So at least my exhaust is on. It's nice, sounds good. So this is gonna be what's gonna be next. Serious wash because rain. If anyone is from Montreal that's watching this video, I have an exhaust here that I really don't need anymore. I'll sell it for cheap. It's a 3-inch pipe all around. It just has that muffler box. I also received a MOF sensor from China. I just wanted to test it, so I'm probably going to be doing a video on that as well. I'm also going to be installing shortly, if not, I'm going to be trying to install a new grill because mine is holding by tie wraps and this is completely like dead, so I'm going to change that up too. Maybe next video is going to be of me filling up the press zone and purging the system to make sure I have no bubbles inside, and to see if the thermostat leaks again. If that leaks again, then I know it's gonna be another problem because it's not the first time I change the thermostat housing. So it's either me that's not doing it properly, or it's because I have something wrong with my head where it's sitting. So I have a lot of projects coming up that I'm gonna be doing videos of. Even if you guys have any questions on what you want me to do or whatever, like just message me. Don't be shy. I'll make videos of anything at this point. But I have to say, this engine bay looks better that I have the VR6 inside, but I really hate this wiring. It's disgusting. And it's just really, it's too much. Like I can't even look at it. It breaks my heart. So if you guys are new to this channel, please give it a like, subscribe. It will really help me out. Sorry for the jacket, but this is my interior. My O2J shift box right there. My interior seats are going to be going soon. I have my OMP strut bar that I have to install again. The car is in pretty decent shape for its year. It's a 91. Like I can't expect it to be a 2020. But it's all about this right here. Hopefully maybe one day I'll be able to add a turbo or supercharger. I had a Corrado VR6 with a Vortex supercharger on it. It was pretty fun. And I have a lot of room right there, so I don't see why I shouldn't be able to do it. But it takes a lot of time, patience, a lot of money as well. But this is my project, so I'm gonna have a lot of work to do left. I'm probably gonna take out this intake manifold soon. If I ever change the wiring, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna powder coat it, probably change the color of it, maybe put a red, I don't know, make it match the car. Even these wiring, it's ignition coil wiring, a little repair over here, cheap repair, but they're new speed wires. But I wouldn't mind putting some new black or red wiring. All in all, I still have a lot of work left. It's a pain in the ass that I'm not capable of doing it right away because of work, but this wiring, it really looks like someone was blind that was doing it. It's really bad. It breaks my heart. Alright guys, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.